Join me as I highlight another popular outdoor display unit, the double-sided frame with fillable base, what Frontline calls the Seattle. If you haven't already, this is your chance to subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update. We would love for you to share the knowledge. Send this to your coworkers, customers, and friends within the industry. Now, let's get to it. The Seattle is an outdoor sidewalk display that can be used single or double-sided. It features convenient front-loading snap frames that allow for quick and effortless graphic installation or changes. Also included are 2 clear covers to help protect the printed graphic from precipitation and UV. This sidewalk display is built with stainless steel components for long-term exposure to the great outdoors. The durable plastic base can be filled with sand or water for extra stability, and the heavy-duty springs will allow your sidewalk sign to bounce in the wind so it will not be easily knocked over. The unique design of the base contains a handle on one end and wheels on the other. The wheels do not engage until the sign is tilted to one side, so it will only roll away when you want it to. The Seattle is offered in 2 sizes. The standard size stands 4 feet tall and offers a graphic size of 24 by 36 inches. The Seattle XL stands around 5 feet tall and offers a larger graphic size of 28 by 44 inches. As mentioned, the base and frame of the Seattle do come in separate boxes, however, are quickly and easily assembled using the included hardware and tools. In a plastic bag attached to the hardware, you will find a wrench and 2 steel plates. Once your components are removed from the box, the first step is to remove the bolts located beneath the springs on the frame and keep them handy for later use. At this time, you should also remove and discard the white foam tubes. The best way to do this next step is to place the frame on a table with the end that has the springs hanging off the table. Hold the base with 2 hands and insert the 2 screws below the springs on the frame into the plastic base. You should be able to see them poking out of the bottom of the base. Add the steel plate and hand tighten the bolts to the end of the screws. Repeat these steps on both sides. Once all 4 bolts are on the screws, tighten and secure using the included wrench. When installing or changing graphics, start by opening all 4 snap frame panels. Then, remove the clear protective cover and any existing graphics. Locate your new graphic and lay it on the protective cover. Place the graphic and protective cover in position and gently close all 4 front-loading snap frames to lock into place. Ta-da! If you're looking for outdoor advertising space that can be easily moved around or simply left out to the elements, the Seattle is the sign for you. Welcome your customers back. Show off your town's top attractions. Advertise your seasonal programs. Highlight new and exciting menu items. Display your product offering and your unique selling points. And never again let a potential new or existing customer miss your message. From a coffee shop or bar to a boat launch or parking lot, applications for the Seattle outdoor double-sided snap frame with fillable base are truly endless. Check us out at frontline-na.com for more information, to view our full product line, or contact us with any questions or inquiries. Bye, guys.